Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at Heptabase and Scrintal and comparing them both to find out which is the better note-taking app. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything you need to know about both of these apps and you'll be able to make an informed decision about which one is better for you. So to start with, what are these apps and what do they do? Heptabase is a versatile tool designed to help you visually make sense of learning, research and projects. It offers a unique blend of features including whiteboard sections, mind maps and project management. Whether you're a student trying to organise your study materials, a researcher looking to visualise complex data, or a project manager needing to keep track of tasks, Heptabase provides a comprehensive solution. Scrintal is a hybrid note-taking and mind mapping tool that aims to revolutionise the way you organise and visualise information. With features like annotation and markup tools, Scrintal offers a dynamic and interactive platform for capturing ideas, brainstorming and collaborative work. Whether you're a student, a professional or anyone in need of a powerful note-taking tool, Scrintal has got you covered. So what are the key features of both of these apps? For Heptabase, one of their key features is whiteboards. Heptabase offers digital whiteboards that allow you to visually organise and connect your ideas. They also have sections. This feature allows you to divide your board into different sections for better organisation. And finally, they have mind maps. Heptabase provides mind mapping tools to help you visualise complex ideas and concepts. For Scrintal, one of their key features is annotation and markup tools. Scrintal offers a range of annotation and markup tools that allow you to highlight, underline or add notes to your documents. There's also a drag and drop builder. This feature allows you to easily move and organise your notes and ideas. And finally, they also have a mind map. Scrintal provides a mind mapping tool that helps you visualise and connect your ideas. So what pricing plans do they offer? For Heptabase, the price of the yearly plan is now $8.99 a month, and the price of the monthly plan is $11.99 a month. For Scrintal, they offer a free version, and then their paid plan starts from $5 a month. But please note, these prices may vary and it's always a good idea to check the official websites for the most accurate and up-to-date information. So which one's easier to use? Both Heptabase and Scrintal have their own unique features and ease of use can often depend on the individual's needs and familiarity with the types of software. Heptabase is praised for bringing together the best features of other PKM apps such as databases, linking, daily notes and mapping in a way that's intuitive, smart and powerful. It's often compared with Obsidian, and while they have different focuses, users find Heptabase to be a useful tool. On the other hand, Scrintal is described as an elegant hybrid of mind mapping and note-taking tools. Users appreciate its visual approach to note-taking and the ability to see connections between different notes. It also has a good development team that listens to feedback and constantly improves the product. In terms of ease of use, Scrintal has actually been rated a 4.7 out of 5, while Heptabase has been rated a 4.81 out of 5 based on 31 reviews from actual users. This suggests that both tools are generally well received by users. Ultimately, the choice between Heptabase and Scrintal would depend on your specific needs and preferences. So which one is actually better? Both Heptabase and Scrintal are highly rated tools, each with their own unique features that cater to different users' needs. Heptabase is appreciated for its intuitive and powerful combination of features from other PKM apps, while Scrintal is loved for its visual approach to note-taking and mind mapping. It's difficult to definitively say which tool is better, as it largely depends on your specific needs and preferences. But I would recommend trying them both out and see which one you find more comfortable and useful. Remember, the best tool is the one that works best for you. So this has been my video comparing Heptabase and Scrintal. Hopefully now that you've watched this video you understand all the key differences between them and you should be able to make an informed decision about which one is better. I also hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.